Welding and metal cutting, as fundamental metalworking processes, have been integrated into various sectors of modern industrial production. However, due to harsh working environments and the high-precision equipments, the welding and metal cutting industry has always faced pain points such as difficulty in recruiting workers, unstable quality of manual operations. The introduction of portable welding robots allows ordinary workers who are not familiar with welding or programming to complete welding tasks with high quality after simple training, effectively solving the shortage of welding workers. Integrated with Farino FR3, paired with a mobile trolley, smart tool, magnetic base, and welding machine, it features a compact size, high flexibility, and small footprint. The design of the magnetic base allows the robot to directly adhere to the welding workpiece, enabling welding to be carried out anytime and anywhere. The Smart Tool adopts button programming mode, reducing programming time by 60%. The Digital Welding Process Kit supports various welding techniques such as linear welding, arc welding, fillet welding. Farino latest development, the programming-free automatic welding platform, is equipped with 3D camera and offline simulation. It can automatically identify workpieces, track welding seam, and identify potential issues. During welding, real-time weld seam deviation compensation is performed to ensure the welding quality. Newly upgraded welding process kit includes corresponding work procedure templates and welding techniques for each type of weld seam, enabling true, teaching-free, programming-free operation, reducing the entry barrier for using welding robots. The Intelligent Plasma Cutting Robot, integrated with Farino FR10 and a plasma cutting head, is capable of processing a variety of carbon steel, including square tubes, rectangular tubes, H-shaped steel, HW-shaped steel. The adoption of intelligent welding and cutting robot empowers ordinary workers to transition from workers to robot managers, solving labor shortage problems. In the future, Farino will continuously reduce the entry barriers of cobots, fostering mutual growth in partners and customers, and continuously driving automation transformation across various industries.